Hi everybody, this is the 2021 BMW M440 convertible. Alright folks, here it is, the newly redesigned 2021 4 Series. It has a lot of hype around it, a lot of mixed reviews because of the gigantic grills.
It may not necessarily be a bad thing.
Also, with this redesign, BMW has chosen to go with a soft top, as opposed to previous years where it was a color matching hardtop. This allows the roof to save 40% in weight and also gain a little bit more space in the trunk. Alright, now that you've seen and heard the new 4 Series, what do you think about it? Is that grille really that bad? Speaking of the grille, on the new M4, there's actually a different grille design. It has horizontal slats versus this convertible has a honeycomb design. Stay tuned for that white M4 video coming very soon. As of right now, the 4 Series convertibles do not come in xDrive here in America. But what does come in xDrive as convertible is the M850 and M8. Let me know in the comments what you all think about the M440i convertible. Talk to y'all soon. Drive safe. Thank you. Bye.